Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add message to reveal to your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. I'm going to click on your story, and then I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery, for example this one, and then we can click the sticker icon and choose reveal. All right, and I'm just going to type, for example, guess what, like this. Okay, then I'm going to click on this done option, and then I'm going to place it right here. And before you upload this story to your Instagram, you will be able to take a look at the preview. I'm going to click on preview right here, and then this is how your story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to reveal it. So they won't be able to reveal your story unless they send message to you. And once you're ready to share the story, you just need to click on your story, and then the story will be uploaded to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can add message to reveal to Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.